In this tutorial, you'll learn how to upload and share your resume on Google Sites. Start by creating a new site using the Start a New Blank Site button, which gives you a blank workspace. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Drive. Next, choose your resume file from your downloads. As you can see, my resume has now been uploaded successfully. Then, refresh the page. Next, select the resume file, then click the Share button. Now, adjust sharing by setting the access level. Be sure to select Anyone with the link so viewers can open your resume. Set the appropriate editing permissions for your document, switching to Editor or Viewer as necessary, then confirm by clicking Done. Next, go back to the Google Sites tab. To stay organized, close any unnecessary browser tabs, and click the Drive icon to continue working in Google Sites. Find your resume in the Recent tab, select the relevant PDF, and confirm your selection to ensure it's added to your siteway. You've now learned how to add and share a resume on Google Sites.